Yeah, for the time being, so we will be going once again to these stocks of which we discussed, because I don't want to make a 3 uploads. So meanwhile, like 1 or 2 minutes it will take. So I'm just going for the one more time. Let's take from this all 10 stocks. We already discussed is on the percentage basis. I have taken this. Yeah, LNT and okay, one more time we will discuss all those steps. Okay, fine. Welcome to the part 2. So we will have a look for the HDFC. So HDFC, earlier we were looking like here, if it is taking a support and maybe making the structure that of the ending diagonal, then we'll be looking for the one upside. So what happens? So this is the important trend line or a support which was 1730. It has broken. So now what to look for HDFC Bank for the HDFC for the next week? Yes. Again, like it is not like breaking the high or low in faster time. That I'm considering this may be the part of this, so I'll be having this as a trend line. Okay, this is the part of B. Let's say this is A or a B. Now it is for the C. Okay. Maybe 80% of this total fall. Visually, I'm taking this, or 61%. Yeah, below 61 and above 80%. So if it is inside the channel, let's say tomorrow again, logic remains same for all the stocks which we discussed, and in the Nifty and Bank Nifty also the structure is looking similar. In case of TCS also, it is inside the channel and moving upside, so there is a chance there is some retracement for the upside also. So here in case of HDFC, what to look? So here if it is opens, let's say 1663 or something, then if it is started moving upside for the sharper side, you can look for this buy. And after that, if it is taking a time more than this, or at least like 100% of this, then we are going to see one more downside. Okay, so here you can look for the buy if it opens inside the channel and stays there for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If not, let's say if it opens downside, or if it is open near this channel, or it opens here and started moving for the downside, then we'll be seeing the 1595 or 1486. So look for the sell in case of if it is opening near or breaking the low of yesterday's low. Okay, if not, it is moving inside the channel, and if it is faster, then it will be like at least 1800 change or 1772. Okay, so look for buy if it opens above the yesterday's low, or if breaks the low, then stay in a sell, because after this moment, like this will be A and B and C. So the one downside moment like this we can expect here. So I'll remove this. So one downside moment kind of this. I'm just copying it. So one downside maybe this, or if it is not sharper, kind of this moment. So that will be like A and B and C for the down now. So that will be matching with this. But or if it is taking a support here, let's take kind of moment for the upside. Okay. Yeah, this both can happen in this case of HDFC. So as of now, if it is opening near that structure or above that, you can stay in a buy. If not, look for the sell. So at least up to the level of 1765 can come, but don't go for the buy now. Wait for this structure to complete. Okay, or if you are very aggressive, then keep the stop loss of this and buy for 1760. Or use this opportunity and look for this setup. That will be the sharper kind of this moment. Okay. What about HDFC Bank? Structurally hasn't changed much. It is making the similar structure earlier what we thought. Or now it will be like high and low. Or it is like parallel line. See the sides. Okay. And if you see the moment here, this is like A, this is a B and C. Now let's say this as a B, or like a C here. If it is not breaking the channel, then one more down can be expected before it can go any further. Okay, so here you can look for the sell setup. In case of HDFC Bank, it is looking a little bit weaker compared to the raise. So here you can look for the sell first, then we'll be looking the buy. If it is not crossing this 0B trend line, so we'll be staying in a sell mode. Okay, look for the sell in case of HDFC, not to buy for at least, let's say 980 or 960 level. Then we will decide how it moves. Let's say if it breaks anywhere, the structure will be changed. Hindustan Unilever, earlier we were thinking at least it will, if it breaks the triangle, then it will go for the upside for the B for 2260. If not, what will happen? The continuation of the same pattern. So now this is the highest point and this is the second highest point. I'm just connecting this. This will be the B, the total movement. Now it is a slow. See this C movement. This is A. This is B. It is for the now C. So maybe this is like a 1 and 2. And here it may be like a 3 and 4 or something of C is like 1, 2. After that it is going to the downside. But if you see this movement is not very much faster for the downside. It is in the sideways, right? So there is a chance like it will come to the level of 1900 or through some little bit downside below the 1900, and then it may reverse for the upside. That will be completely these kinds of structure like A, and here we can say this is the B and C. So that will be matching again, right? So here in case of Hindustan Unilever, you can stay in a sell now for the short term. Then anywhere if it is breaking this line, then you will be looking for the buy for 23 or 2400. In that case, the Nifty and other structure will go upside, and this will also be going for the upside before it can move in further. So here, look for the sell, then we will be looking for the buy. ICICI Bank.
ते पुरा हे तूप तूप ते सगळं खाऊनच जाते त्याने आता जात.
So here, in case of this, it may be the structure of ABC kind, let's say. So this will be the C here or from this point. If it is started from here, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A minimum 5-way structure has completed, or it is about to complete. Then what will happen? It will come a little bit down, or to the level of 330 or 335. Then it will may start upside movement, or if it breaks, continuation of further downside. So what you need to stay think in case of ICICI Bank is like a very short term buy. Maybe the structure is this kind or a neutral triangle or a triangle here. Then we will be seeing one more down. Why? Because the reversal is little bit sharper, or as of that kind which it fell. I mean, let's take the time wise. Here we have a lot of time left, so there is a chance it will be going like A, B, and C, or D, E. And if it is not falling and breaking the low, then we'll be seeing one more up before it can go any further low. So look for the short-term buy, maybe to the level of 360 or 364, or if it is breaking the low, then look for sell. Infosys. Infosys, stay in a buy. See, exactly it took the support from the trend line. So we'll show you here. So earlier we discussed this, if it is breaking the trend line also and spending some time, there is a chance it will be going for the upside. So now it has gone for the upside only, 1 2 or 3 4, or it is presently, which is maybe the 5, one more up, or at least to this top 1040. So in case of Infosys, you can look for the buy setup, not to sell. Okay, at least to 80%, that is 1030 or 1040. So look for the buy, not to sell until and unless it breaks the level of 969 on the basis of closing or giving the confirmation to two stage. What is the two stage? Here, if it is breaks in lesser time, then we'll be going for the sell. Okay, ITC. Okay. So it is slower. Earlier we were thinking at least it will be may reverse from this point. There is 181, because the primary trend for me here is the upside movement, and if you see this downside movement, it is a slower. It's in a slower form. So anywhere it may reverse from 162 or from the 80%, that is 155 for this kinds of structure. So I'll be looking for this, but need a confirmation once it breaks the trend line of this. So we'll be looking for the buy. So look for the buy setup in case of ITC, not to sell. Okay, anywhere it breaks the trend line and give the confirmation. On the confirmation, you can look for the buy setup in case of ITC, because that will be like giving a good setup for the upside. There is no confirmation yet, but you can stay in a buy. What about Kotak Mahindra? Same ABC kind. So here it is A, B, and C now. Maybe here it may take support, and we'll be going for one more up. So in case of Kotak Mahindra, look for buy. Buy will be good here because this is a trend line bottom or a channel's bottom, and anywhere if it reverses, the risk will be very low here. Keeping the stop loss of this, you can look for the buy for at least like 61% or 30%. How it moves, if it is slower, then one more fall, that's fine. But if it is not slower, if it is faster, then you can look for the buy. But overall structure is for the downside, because this is the sharper movement, and now whatever it is going for the B, and we can expect a C any time. Okay, for example, this is the moment. Okay, this is the chart. So we are presently in the B wave, let's say. Okay, it is making the structure at exactly it reversed from the 31%, 31.8%. So highest point and lowest point, which can consider this. So anyhow, where if it is going reversal, maybe up to the level of 1360 or to the 1387. If it is slower, then we will be expecting one more down for at least 996 in case of Kotak, because this structure is like A, B, and we are looking for the C. That will be sharper. Okay. That will be sharper in case of Kotak. But if you see the chart in hourly time frame, then this is looking like, okay, this is looking like ABC. Let's say this is slower, not faster. So what happens most of the time, it will be like 1 2 and 3 4, and here it's a 5, a smaller retracement to the upside, and then if it is slower, it will be going for the downside. Okay, as of now you can look for the buy, but on the retracement of 61% or 30%, if it is spending the 100% of the time, then go for the sell, not for the buy. The overall structure is for the sell. For you can trade for this smaller upside, but that is a risky. Wait for this to happen and trade for this. That will be rewarded. Okay, or very short you want to take this as a stop loss of minimum like 10-20 points, and you can stay in a buy. Whatever it comes, take it, and whenever it turns the picture, stay in this, and it will be very rewarding compared to this upside moment. Okay, because it will be like this, and this for the downside, right? Again, this structure is similar. Now it is reversal is sharp little bit. Maybe this is like a 1 and 2, and this is like a 3 and 4 and 5. This is for the B wave. If it is slower, then one more fall. If it is not a sharper, then it will be completing the structure of this kind, maybe expanding or something. That's fine. But here you can look for the buy because the reversal is little bit sharp. So buy up to the level of 930, and if it goes further, 960. Okay. Reliance, stay in a buy, not to sell, because it is a sideways movement, not a sharper fall. It is a slower. So what happens most of the time? They will be going one more up. Or if it is slower than this, then we can say, okay, it will be going to the downside. Or else at least we'll be going and touching the high, or at least to that structure. For example, let's say go for a daily. Now this will be the channel. And the second channel will be this is the bottom. So what happens here on the hourly basis? It is like it may go one more up. Or it will be going for the high if it is sharp. So there it will be completing the structure of this line. Getting my point? So at least for the 2400 and 2423, then it may reverse. So as of now, you can look for the buy. If it is breaking the low, then stay in a sell, maybe to the 100% of this moment, or this is a very long consolidation, so it may take a support there. Which area? Okay, if it breaks the lower of this, then we can stay in a sell. But as of now, you can stay in a buy in case of Reliance. TCS is looking like a sharper up correction, means sudden reversal. Just add the trend line. So what you can expect here, maybe this has a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 structure has changed. So 1, 2, C, maybe here it make a structure of the triangle, or because this is the moment sharper and this is a sharper, so there is a only one pattern which is triangle. Or if it is slower, then it is like a zigzag or a flat. But as it is very much sharper, it can go up to the 80% or 90%. Then they may be making the structure that of the triangle. So after that, it may fall or it may go and fall. Okay. So here, in case of TCS, I'm looking the pattern is a triangle. Let's take this as A total. This is now going for the B. 80% will be 2494 or 90%. Then may downside and upside and downside. It may happen like triangle. Okay. Wait for this structure to complete, or you can stay in a buy and then sell, buy, sell. Or option will be good option here, selling high and lows, and it may stay in between. So 2550, sorry, 2550 CE and 2300 B. Selling both will be good option here. It is in the middle. Okay, so you can take the premium. Now you can type or you can ask the questions. So we'll be discussing that. Please specify the timings or time frames so that will be accurate.
Atal ji. Hello. Hello.
So wait for a second. So just
Hello.
I will raise the volume a little bit. Wait. Yeah, you can now. Sorry, the audio was a little bit low. So please once again. Once again, could you ask?
Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear, sir?
Yes, yes. Now.
Okay, sir. A few days back, probably last week, you had put in a chart where you had shown that Nifty is topping up. Anybody who's thinking of buying here would be doing a mistake.
Hmm.
I think you were talking about the price and date range, something like that.
Okay.
Can you just highlight that zone where you said that anybody who's thinking of buying here will make a mistake?
Maybe thinking like maybe the 80% or 90%, the time wise it is so maybe this was the thing which high and low, so that probably we did this, or maybe this timing. So this is the low and high point, so this is the low, then so just change the time. Wait.
No, sir. We are talking about this month. I mean, this month in September, few days back, you had said. I mean, the last week you had said that buying at this phase was a mistake. Now I'll have to tell you the date. You had put it on the in the WhatsApp
Because
communication.
yeah, maybe after this breakout, maybe we have talked like after this breakout, or maybe kind. I didn't
No, the current top, sir. The current top.
Current top.
After the trend line broke, then the current top. After the trend line broke down, and then the
Here.
current top. No, sir. The next lower top. This one. This zone.
You can specify the level so that we can discuss, like 11,580 or 11,790 or what.
Okay.
Level you can say, so then we can say that okay, here maybe I've said maybe like this, like earlier we were looking this as like A, B and C and D here. So if someone wants to buy here, that will be risky, that might have told, or here
Yes. Yes.
downside. So why that? Because this is the faster downside momentum, which is now taking much more time. So there is a chance like one more fall. Simple structure like this may happen, but I don't know this. It was not in my mind until and unless it breaks the low of this, that is of 11,180 or 11,195 change. Earlier we were looking this structure is like totally it was like a and B, C, and this will be like a D, and we may see E here. After this, it may happen. Okay,
Right.
but what happened here in the earlier chart, like here it was making some diametric pattern, C, D, or E, F, and G. So that is the top we were thinking. Like after this, means it is going very far, but 80 to 90% of this total fall, but not in a sharper way. So I was expecting one fall. Here we expected, here we expected, here we expected, but these all moments are slower, not very sharp. But this is a little bit sharper. Then we thought that okay, it might be making some downside movement first, because this is like going a trend line breakout that happened.
Right.
One thing, and secondly, if you see the retracement from the top to bottom, it was near 90% or something, so above 80%.
Right.
That will be little risky. So earlier we thought like the two possible patterns here is a flat or a triangle. So to make a flat, it needs to spend at least 200 to 300% of the time. That was not matching here earlier. So maybe this moment which is matching, or if I say this is a triangle, let's say this, it might make like this we discussed earlier, like this may happen. So it is a time taking one, because the only two possibility which I'm saying now is why flat and only triangle, not other patterns. Because here if I think something has started from this down,
Okay.
this will be the 100% of the time, and this is the 100% of the time. So now if I copy this will be like 300% of the time. So it is
Right.
near 300%. So to make a flat, at least most of the time it will make a 300 to 400% of the time. So here it is not exactly to the 300% of the time, right? So it is some more time is lacking here. The other possibility which remains is here is a triangle. So in case of triangle, what will happen, this and after this may fall, like after this it may happen, or to match this sequence, let's say this fall is not sharper, let's talk about that possibility also. If it is slower, let's say it takes some more time, then there is a possibility of it to go one more up. It still remains, because there it will be like this kind, and after that we might get a one more fall.
Okay.
That will depend like how the price is moving. For now, let's say as soon as it breaks the trend line, okay. And earlier we discussed this, like in lesser time, if it is breaking, then we are going to go for the sell, right?
It has done in lesser time.
Yeah, that is done in lesser time. So what happens after that, it is just moved inside and started moving upside. So most of the time what will happen, it has a given a confirmation, but the confirmed candle's low has to be taken. That is also very important. So here this early candle, if you see,
that's the only candle that is broken,
right? After that it just takes a support, and next day there is opening high and going upside. So most of the time they'll be checking the supply or the demand, whether there is a demand below this, or maybe the stop losses which keeping below this maybe hit at this particular zone, and it started moving upside.
right?
Below this will be definitely a structure change. But why I'm thinking that like one more up, because if you add the basic like trend lines or a channel, it is inside the channel now. So most of the time what will happen, whenever there is inside the channel, they will go for the upside. There is a chance. So it how it goes, that depends. If it is faster or a slower or slow, that will depend the further move, or that will say a further movement how it moves. Or again, like if after that if it's spending some more time, so what will be understanding from this move is like one more up against to this far, against this race. Let's say this is the trend for me now presently.
Yes.
So this is against the trend. So if it's lower and a correction, then one more up can be expected, right? So now, after that it will be like this will be my new channel.
Agreed.
So this so here what I say, maybe because of the diametric pattern, or maybe because of the movement of this sideways, and everyone or the good news will come at the top most of the time. So everything will be like fine, then someone is entering here, so that will be the pathetic part, because there they can't exit, because they'll be thinking, okay, it will recover, and they will exit thinking that okay, here now it won't retrace or won't reback. That time they'll exit, and from there only it starts moving for the upside. That will happen.
Yes, it happens.
That will happen. So that is the reason might have told like here 90% on 80%, and this is sharper, this is going slower, then no need to buy here. If someone is buying here, he'll regret. That I might have told.
So the other thing is, recently you put this entire reversal or pullback of the main fall that has happened as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we don't have the Elliott 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the impulse.
Right. Yes, because see, if someone is saying that, and I have seen the lot of Elliott wave analysis in the chart and in other channels or WhatsApp or in web, they put it as like a 1 and 2, and they are saying this as total is a 3 and 4. Okay, so now they are expecting it to go for one more up for the fifth wave. That's fine, but if you see the internal waves, so I'm not very happy with this moment. Let's say this is not an impulse, it's just looking a simple two-way structure, right? Not a three-way. When it is looking like a two-way structure, you can't name it as an impulse wave. It is a correction wave. So against this, if you're naming something like an impulse, then that will be the mistake. So here it is not an impulse because the time is taking more. And if you see the internal waves, okay, let's take this part, it's finished. Now if you say this part, okay, this is a sharper, I agree. After that it is like, let's say 1 and 2. After that, let's say this is a 3. and this is a 5. Okay, fine, right? So
Right.
here it might be 1 and 2. It may be the 3 and 4. Agree?
Right.
So after that, if you take this moment and if you check with this moment will be the highest. So as per the rule, third wave cannot be the shortest.
Agreed.
So this is not an impulse. Okay, then leave here. So where you start? Okay, let's take this is a 1 and 2 and this whole moment is 3 and 4. Then where
Right.
is your internal waves? Let's say this has a 1 and 2.
Okay.
This has 3 and 4. This has 5. Okay, that is matching. Take that. For example, let's say this has a 1 and 2.
Yes.
This has a 3 and maybe, yes, this is the 4. And let's take this is the 5.
Right.
That is matching. You can take,
Right.
that will be like in the B wave or C.
Yes.
For that, it will be totally B. Or this something has started as a B, let's say this has a and B. Now it is going for the C in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine.
Okay.
You can take that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If
Thanks.
it is matching, but someone is counting from here is a 1 and 2, and this is the 3 and 4, this is the 5, then that is not a very comfortable journey.
Right.
Why? Because if you again add this, like these impulses, it will be breaking.
Yes.
So it's 0, and if it 2 and 1 is 0 to trend line is breaking here.
Yes.
And third only, that won't be considered. If it is fifth wave, then it is fine. Anywhere the fifth wave is breaking, then it's fine. You can consider that, but not the third wave.
Okay.
So these are the rules, or basic rules. There is no like a bigger rules. Only 3 or 5 rules that should be matched if you say that as an impulse. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Anything else or any chart you want to look? Any doubts you have, participants? We'll be looking quickly to those charts, and please specify the timings or time frame so that I'll be looking.
So I have a question on GMM Fodler.
Okay.
Now the question is that there's something news based,
Okay.
and I was wanting to know.
Yes.
Did reveal that there is going to be a a lower circuit point, since technical analysis is separated from news generally.
No.
So from what we have learning,
On the basis of technical analysis, news will come. See, here we discussed that.
yeah, that's what, sir. I'm confused. So just wanting to.
Yes. So most of the time, like this is the high and lows here. It was taking support. Let's take this. So after that, we said here it might go one more up.
Correct. It went also.
Yeah. And after that, so now presently is trading at 32, 31.
That's correct. In on lower circuits for the last 5 days.
Yeah.
Losing 10%, and now for filter reduced to 5%.
Okay. So
Still on the downtrend.
yeah, and here there was usually I say like here there is a fine. So if it is a channel stop, you can exit or you can wait for this correction. But whenever there is something like this happen, we need to exit there. So again, if it comes inside, we can buy. So if we don't want to miss, let's say this is the 4,700 level. So we thought this will be our SLR below this trend line. So 4,700 will be our exiting point. Or you can say if you missed it, 4,200. Okay. So if you think, okay, it will definitely go one more up, so you can again enter at 4,200. No issue if you're thinking to this. But on the basis of technicals, we might have discussed this, like this is going like a crazy. So
Correct.
By whenever there is a confirmation on the basis of daily candle, if it is breaking the low of earlier, whenever it is breaking the earlier move or earlier candle, you can exit there.
So the peculiar thing about what happened in this case is we never got an opportunity to exit. After 5,200. Even if you put up, our stop losses could not be activated.
Yes,
because they went into a massive lower circuit.
Yeah.
So do you get a or I mean, I'm just trying to understand in future, whenever such things happen for a low float, high price stock, that's, I know you have mentioned that don't participate in such stocks where the float is low. But since this was in momentum and also the technicals were strong, we entered.
Yeah.
Now,
definitely.
but do charts tell us like when a possible circuit would open up, like by way of a trend or anything, or you just wait?
Actually, on the basis of technicals, if you want to talk on this particular chart, let me go for the daily. And when I will be the conscious, or I'll be looking for the sell whenever it breaks the earlier trend line.
Okay.
This is very cautious for me. Okay, that's fine. If it is breaking, then okay, it is breaking, but not in lesser time. That's fine. I can wait for 1 day or 2 days.
Sir, please take NSE, sir. BSE, I think, is inactive.
Okay. NSE unit to take. So it is only BSE which I am looking.
No, sir. Down is there. 7th.
Okay. Yeah. Right. That's fine. See here, I'll be conscious whenever it breaks my trend line.
Okay.
So it has the trend line. This candle has broken and next candle is downside. That's fine. But this is like a doji. That's fine. So I will be like waiting here, but not at least on this.
Yeah, my worry is it's a highway doji, you know. So if the trend is down, it'll keep going down. Is my worry.
Yeah, it is like a confirmation point. Above this will be buying and below this will be selling. It is not like doji is there, but not at lower point. If it is at lowest point, you are getting the doji, you can say there is a reversal. But in trend, you can, that is like, we can say it is in the middle. So there is no trend or in the sideways. So above this will be the confirmation or below this will be the confirmation for the doji. It is not like
any way to spot where it will halt, sir.
This downside movement,
the lower circuit, yeah.
Okay.
I think there's an offer for sale for 3,500 rupees.
So this was the thing where it needs to, but it is now at 3,800. So I think that next halt may be at this zone.
I think there is an offer for sale by the promoters for 3,500.
Okay.
Yeah, it's closed, sir. The offer is closed.
So here maybe this is the next halt, sir, at 34.63 or something. And if it breaks, this will be there. Now. So these two which I'm looking presently, this is fine. This is fine, but this was unexpected actually. As per the chart, if you're thinking it will be going for one up before it. Now the things will be like here you need to consider and this high you need to consider. Okay, so here this will be my concern, because if you see the rise is definitely for the good move and it was above 45 degree, and if you see the fall is also like 45 degrees angle or below that. This is sharp. So if you find anywhere this, that's fine. You may get one more fall or to the downside. If it is before this 31st December, then if it is breaking the 34, then you no need to stay here. It may come to the level of 1,800.
Okay, so that means, yeah, because all the people are trapped actually.
Yes, because after seeing this moment, like everyone will get excited to this. Okay, because in this